Jennifer was great. She helped me purchase my home last year, and now she's helping me to sell my home. And last year was my first time purchasing a home, so I really didn't know anything about the home buying process. But Jennifer helped me through it. She guided me through it. And if I had questions, she would answer them. And when I was ready to go out to look for a home, she was always available. So that was a smooth process. And the selling process is going really good so far. We listed the house on a Thursday, and by Sunday we had an offer, and we're hoping to close next week. So Jennifer's really good, and I appreciate her effort. She put a lot of effort and thought into being a realtor, and I appreciate that. And thank you, Jennifer.
It's my pleasure.
So I would definitely refer my friends, my family, or anybody who I know wants to purchase or sell a home. I would definitely refer Jennifer to them.
Well, I have to say thank you very much, Chanell, and I wish you all the best. You're changing careers, you're going from teacher to medical, and I know you do well. I know you're a very intelligent person, so it's going to go very well, and I wish you all the best in that endeavor. And I hope to see you back in Atlanta so that I can sell you your second home, right?
Right.